How do I change my Apple ID email address?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to guide you through the process of changing your Apple ID email address. You might need to do this for a number of reasons, such as if you no longer have access to the email address you used to create your Apple ID, or if you'd like to use a different email for personal reasons.
What is an Apple ID?
Your Apple ID is an account you use for everything you do with Apple, like when you shop the iTunes Store, sign in to iCloud, buy an app, and more. All you need is your email address to create an Apple ID, but it can become a problem if you no longer have access to that email address.
Why would you need to change your Apple ID email?
You might want to change your Apple ID email address for a variety of reasons. These include, you no longer have access to the email address you used to set up your Apple ID. Your Apple ID email is an email address you no longer use regularly. You prefer to use a different email for your Apple ID.
How to change your Apple ID email address.
Here is a step-by-step guide to change your Apple ID email. Step 1. Sign in to your Apple ID account page on Apple's website using your current Apple ID. Step 2. Click Edit in the Account section. Step 3. Under your Apple ID, click Change Apple ID. Step 4. Enter the email address you want to use as your new Apple ID. Step 5. Click Continue. You'll need to verify the email address you entered before you can use it as your Apple ID. So that's it, folks. That's how you can change your Apple ID email address. It's a pretty straightforward process, but it's vital to ensure your Apple ID remains accessible and secure. We hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like and share it with others who might need it.